How to find your trade URL on Steam. You can use your trade URL to give to other people, and when they click on the URL, they can proceed to trade with you. So in order to find this URL, you need to click on your username and inventory. From here, click on trade offers. Then, who can send me trade offers? And here's the link. Now let's copy this link. And from here, all you need to do is send this link to your friend. Now, this is how the link is supposed to look like from their perspective once they click on the link. As you can see from here, you can trade items, request a trade, and they can request a trade back. From there, you can either decline or accept the trade. Now, if your link got leaked to more people and a lot of people are sending you trades, you can just create a new URL right here. Now keep in mind, once you create this new URL, the previous URL becomes obsolete. People cannot use the previous one. And there you go. That's how to find your URL on Steam. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.